How to add collaboration in Instagram post after posting. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to add collaboration in Instagram post after posting. Watch the video till the end, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Instagram app on your device. Make sure to log in to your account. Head towards profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Now choose a particular post where you want to add collaboration. Now tap three dots at top right corner of the screen and choose Edit option from this menu. Tap Add Collaborators at top of the screen. Now you can easily tag photo to tag people and invite collaborators. Let's tap Invite Collaborators and type in the username. Once you have chosen, tap on the tick mark at top right corner. So if they accept, your post will be shared with their followers and they will be shown as authors of the post. So in this way, we can simply add collaborators in Instagram post after posting. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then to like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.